हाँ 150 जैसे आया ना काका माल दो पहले उधर गया हेलो
Are we crossing? No, straight?
No, we can just walk this the whole way.
You smell that?
No, I don't.
Oh, you're so... I just pulled up on these guys.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up?
He just asked me. Okay, so there's a famous indie rapper, hip hop artist coming to Mumbai. It's a place to be. Mumbai is amazing, by the way. If you haven't been to Mumbai, you haven't been anywhere. Enough about that. They're doing an interview, right? And I pulled up on them randomly. One of his questions was, "Where's the cheese spot?" So this young beautiful lady here said,
I caught him.
"She caught me."
I mean,
Okay.
it's the struggle that matters.
What's your name, man?
What?
What's your name? What do you go by on Instagram so we can hook?
So my name is Ayush, and I go by Ayush Kya on Instagram.
And you?
My name is Sarang. I go by sarang.nirulkar with 3 G's because I'm actually the real G. You can say that. Only gangster shit. 3 G's is only 3 G's is because the capacity. I'm not fat shaming, of course. Stop fat shaming, dude. India is a progressive country. You have to go by the terms.
They're hilarious.
But this was a pleasure meeting you, man.
Yeah,
It's
man.
really good to see people come in and have fun with us.
Love the country. Like, it's amazing. I mean, I was going to pull up on them anyway.
And I love your tattoos, man.
Oh,
the
thanks,
tattoos
man.
are amazing. I love the whole Samoan.
Alright, more to come. Yeah.
Wow.
We're actually on the beach. It's a, I think it'll be an okay place to watch the sunset.
That's nice.
Sun behind me. Okay.
पानी वाला
He wants to take a picture on the beach. This is so cool. Wait a minute. Let me take a picture and come right back.
ठंडा सादा बिस्लरी है
Rocks. Kicking rocks. I'm gonna go to the beach and kick rocks. Okay.
Master gonna get some.
Hey, careful. All right. What's that? Oh my gosh. I would. I'm so full though. Yeah, I'm just really full.
Oh, it's like what we had in
चाचा जी झूले वाले
I'm gonna die, aren't I?
Yeah, that's right. He said popcorn as well. And I'm like, you got, babe, you haven't even looked up yet. That's right? Right? Like, this is stupid. This is crack.
That brownie shake was really
Yeah, look at it. Right?
My mouth is starting watering. That's my chocolate. Oh yeah, I'll get there. Look at it.
Look at what he's got. This is crack.